Hey guys, welcome to Gyan for Media and I am Dr. Kritika. फ्रेंड्स, आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग पैंडमिक ब्रेक, जबकि सब एडमिशन्स रुके हुए थे, एग्ज़ाम्स रुके हुए थे, तो फाइनली द एग्जामिनेशंस, द एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशंस इन सम ऑफ द यूनिवर्सिटीज़ हैव रिज्यूम्ड एंड देयर आर नोटिसेस फॉर एडमिशन इन डिफरेंट BJMC, MJMC एंड डिप्लोमा कोर्सेज फॉर जर्नलिज्म एंड मास कम्युनिकेशन। तो आज मैं आपको उसी बारे में बताने वाली हूँ। काफ़ी सारी यूनिवर्सिटीज़ के नोटिफिकेशन आ गए हैं एडमिशन के लिए। अगर आप चाहते हैं कि ग्रेजुएशन में आप एडमिशन लें जर्नलिज्म एंड मास कम्युनिकेशन, या फिर आपने ग्रेजुएशन कर लिया है एंड यू वांट टू परस्यू मास कम्युनिकेशन एज योर करियर, तो आप मास्टर्स कर सकते हैं या कोई डिप्लोमा कोर्स या सर्टिफिकेट कोर्स उसमें कर सकते हैं। ये वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाता है बिकॉज आई विल बी प्रोवाइडिंग यू विद सम ऑफ द यूनिवर्सिटीज़ एंड देयर एडमिशन नोटिसेस इन दिस वीडियो। सो प्लीज़ डू लाइक द वीडियो एंड डू सब्सक्राइब टू ज्ञान फॉर मीडिया फॉर such updates, and don't forget to press the bell icon which is given on the right hand side of your screen so that whenever we upload a video you get a notification about it. Also, please do share it with your friends, those who you feel would be interested in such videos. So as you can see on your screen, this is a notification from IGNOU, which is the Central University and Open University, और School of Journalism and New Media Studies का यहाँ पे नोटिफिकेशन है जो कि ऑफ़र कर रहे हैं MA in Journalism and Mass Communication, which is MA JMC, PG Diploma in Journalism and Mass Communication, then PG Diploma in Audio Program Production, and PG Diploma in Development Communication. They also offering certificate course in community radio. So for more details, there is a website which you can visit, which is ignuadmission.samarth.edu.in, and the admission cycle is open for July 2021. You can visit to this website और वहाँ पे एक कॉमन प्रोस्पेक्टस फॉर जुलाई 2021 का ऑप्शन आएगा, वो आप वहाँ पे जाके डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। और बाकी जितनी भी जानकारी है कि एडमिशन कैसे लेना है, व्हाट इज़ द प्रोसेस, ऑल्दो आई विल ऑल्सो बी सून अपलोडिंग दैट प्रोस्पेक्टस ऑन माई चैनल, सो यू कैन वेट फॉर फ्यू डेज एंड देन यू कैन गो थ्रू इट। ऑल्सो ये जो कोर्सेज़ हैं जो अभी हमने बताए, ये सारे डिस्टेंट लर्निंग के मोड के थ्रू हैं, तो आपके लिए और अच्छा हो जाता है। घर बैठे आप पढ़ाई कर सकते हैं थ्रू ओपन एंड डिस्टेंस लर्निंग मोड। एंड इफ़ यू वांट टू परस्यू PhD in journalism and mass communication, then IGNOU offers a regular mode of PhD, so you can also enroll for PhD if you want to. कॉन्टैक्ट के लिए यहाँ पे एक बेसिक सी जानकारी दी हुई है, एक ऑफिशियल लैंडलाइन नंबर है एंड ईमेल है फॉर दिस स्कूल ऑफ जर्नलिज्म एंड मास कम्युनिकेशन, विच इज़ soj@ignou.ac.in, and another email ID is sojnms@ignou.ac.in. So you can just send in your queries on this email ID if you have any query, and I'm sure they are going to respond to it. Now the next notification is for Haridev Joshi University of Journalism and Mass Communication, which is in Jaipur, and they have also invited applications for different courses related to journalism. They have 3 years bachelor's course which is in regular medium BA JMC. They also have 2-year post graduation यानी कि PG course in regular mode in print media, electronic media, media organization, advertising and public relations, social media and online web journalism, development communication, social work and NGOs. अगर आपने मेरा पिछला वीडियो देखा है where I have talked about career scopes, career prospects in mass communication, there I have mentioned that there are several universities offering specialized courses in advertising, in online media and in development communication or social work. So here is one university which is offering you the master program in regular medium. So if you want to do that specialization, you can definitely enroll in it. Then they also have 1-year PG diploma courses which are self-financed, and PG diploma in broadcast journalism, PG diploma in photography, PG Diploma in Desktop Publishing also. Then there are certain 6-month certificate courses also which are being offered by this university, and it is in functional Hindi, functional English, video editing and development communication. They also have 1-year PG Diploma in graphics and animation. So very good, good series of courses this university is offering. You can definitely enroll in them. If you want to pursue PhD in mass communication, then also you can enroll yourself in regular medium for PhD course. Eligibility is mentioned here. For BJMC you should be 12th pass. For MAJMC you should be graduate in any discipline. For PG Diploma also you should be graduate in any discipline, and for PhD you should be a postgraduate scholar already. So this is about the university, Haridev Joshi University of Journalism Mass Communication, which is in Jaipur. The last date for online application for admission is August 31. So you must visit their website for more information about the online application, and you can definitely enroll in this. Now the next is Devi Ahilya Vishwavidyalay Indore. इनका भी एक कॉमन एंट्रेंस टेस्ट होता है DAVV CET 2021 through National Testing Agency, which is NTA, for admission in different UG and PG courses which are being offered by this university. So this is not just about journalism. Journalism is one program. This university is offering graduation in journalism, which is BA Journalism and Mass Communication, 3 साल का course है, and it is offering post graduation यानी कि masters in journalism and mass communication, which is 2-year program. So if you want to enroll in these programs, then you have to appear for common entrance test of DAVV, and for that you can visit their website davv.nta.ac.in, and the online submission of application form with fee will remain open from 20th July to 9th of August. So the admission process has already started. If you want to apply and appear for CET of DAVV, then you must enroll yourself by visiting their website, which is davv.nta.ac.in. DAVV का journalism and mass communication course is one of the oldest and a very reputed course. So if you are planning to make a career in mass communication journalism, then you must take a chance in the CET of DAVV. Now the next institution that is offering journalism courses and have started with admission process is Indian Institute of Mass Communication. I've already intimated you about its opening of application forms, and they have already started the admission process has already started from 28th of July, and the last date for online application is 9th of August. You can visit to their website www.imc.nta.ac.in for the whole information bulletin, which is there. The prospectus is there. I told you in the last video what is the process for visiting their website and downloading the prospectus, so you can refer to that video of mine. The link is given in the description box already. IMC offers various PG Diploma courses, PG Diploma in Hindi journalism, in English journalism, and there are different other courses that are being offered by IMC. And as you know that IMC is one of the top institutions considered in mass communication and journalism. So if you want to make a career again and you want that stamp of a reputed institution, then you must enroll into the admission process of IMC, and I wish you all the luck for clearing the examinations. So this is all for today. I'll keep intimating you about the upcoming advertisements, upcoming application processes that will be started in different universities. So please do subscribe to Gyan4 Media, and to remain notified, you'll have to press the bell icon given on the right hand side of your screen so that you never miss an update from us. Also do like and share the video, and you can follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more updates.